Hello, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jay, this is my channel, and are you looking for some St. Patrick Day games? Yeah? So if you are, you come to the right place, because if you look here, I've got some St. Patrick's Day drinking games. I'm going to have some more videos by the time you watch this video. There's going to be some more uploaded. But before we get into it, I show you how to get some free Christmas printable games. Yeah, I show you lots of different games and products and principles and that ideas for you. A lot of them are Christmas, don't get me wrong. You've got some baby shower, you've got some Easter ones, you name it, guys. You've got quite a lot. But let's get into it, guys. So if you come over to Canva, you can create your own. Yeah. Now all I've done is put like a little border and a little bit of a what do you call it? A title, subtitle, and a little bit how to do it. Yeah, description. I just put a few different clip art here, and all I've done is come over to elements. I've typed in St. Patrick's Day. I've gone over to the options and I've clicked on free and static, so you don't have to pay. Yeah, guys, and you can use any of these, guys. Just scroll down, pick whatever you want. Yeah, and I've made this one here. I've just made it simple for kids. Yeah, so they can learn. A bit of a learning game. Yeah, I know it's not everyone wants to learn all the time. But yeah, another learning one. Feel free to come and check them out. I've got like a little scavenger hunt, make it a bit more fun so they can go and find all things green. Yeah, I mean, I know it's a bit simple for the younger ones, but a bit further up, I've got another one. Yeah, for a more adult type. So you look, match the colours, make it fun. Yeah, match the pictures, odd one out. What comes next? So they're all fun games. Colouring. Bit of colouring, yeah, colour the flag itself. So I'm showing a picture of the flag so they can copy it. A few mazes, but these are solutions. So yeah, you've got 3 different mazes. Yeah, bit of tic-tac-toe, some more games here. I Spy, which are always fun. Yeah, charades. And this is the scavenger hunt I'm on about. This is a bit more harder to make, you see, guys. It's a lot of small stuff like all these different ones here. You've got to line them up, etc. But with it, because then if you want to make it again, you just copy it, change that to like Easter or something, change all the colours and that, and then you just change a few of these around, but it's already set in place. Yeah, St. Patrick's Day A to Z. All you have to do then is copy it, change that to Easter A to Z, but change the colours, and then I've got it. It's simple, guys. Yeah, so I've done 3 different ones of them. I've got a candy dice game, which are very popular. Again, just change it to Easter. Put it to eggs or something, yeah. So Easter eggs dice game, and then you just change a few of these. We don't even have to change some of them, yeah. Now this is a drunk dice one, so I've done the exact same. All I've done is copied it, changed a few colours around. Drunk dice, yeah. So you take a drink instead of taking a candy, yeah. Now come over to Etsy, typed in St. Patrick's Day games, and look, you've got a 15 game bundle here for £9.40, which I think is quite steep. You've got word searches, quizzes, and that. These are always good, yeah. Another bundle, 20 games for £14. Whoa. I mean, it might be good, guys. Check it out if you, yeah. Trivia, yeah. Leprechaun one, same one we just looked at. Another bundle here, 30 printables for £5.63, which is, I reckon, is good for thingy. I'm going to open up now because I want to have a look at it in a minute. So, and what I do, guys, when I'm making mine, I come over to Etsy, I look at a few different pictures, a few different ones, and then I see what I can make, if I can make it, yeah. And I don't copy them. Like, look at this one here. They've got a tic-tac-toe. I've not copied it exactly. The mazes are different, yeah. I think it's I Spy, yeah. But if you come over to, no, this is that one, yeah. If you come over to my channel, yeah, Christmas Everyday Club. The Christmas Everyday is called on here, but my actual company, my business, is the Christmas Everyday Club. These are what I've made for other people, to sell and that. If you want to click on all, it'll show all the different bundles and all different stuff. But this is my St. Patrick's Day one, yeah. And if you look, I put them in bundles, and all my bundles, all my listings are £1. Yeah, the 20p is Etsy's fees, so I'm listing them at £1. Then Etsy put their fee on. Yeah, so this is 12 activities. 12 activities for £1.20. Now these are the kiddie ones, like the learning ones. Yeah, then I've got the mazes on their own. Then I've got the I Spy on their own. I've got the charades, the dice, and the scavenger hunt, and the A to Z all on their own, guys. But what I'm going to do, yeah, instead of you buying every single one of these, yeah, which will cost you £8 odd, yeah. Because they're £1 odd, they're £1 each, but there's 7 of them, yeah. So you got your £7 what I get paid, and then 20p what the extra 20p's what Essie get. I don't want you to do that, guys. If you wanted to buy mine, I've got 22 games for £1.50 or £1.80 if you include their fees. Yeah, all the games I've created, I put in a bundle here, so you can get it for dead cheap. So 22 games for £1.80 instead of paying £5 for 30 games, or £9 for 15 games, or even worse, £14 for 20 games. Yeah, so you're getting 22 games activities for £1.80. That is it, guys. And you get them. I'm not sure about them. But anyway, you get all these here. But what else I've all made? These are the adult ones, guys, and it's just a dice game. Yeah, so you get a dice game, the candy dice game in the in the bundle here for the kids bundle. But then this one is for the adults. Yeah, it's a drunk dice. Yeah, dice games. Both the same, but in different colours, guys. So if you want to buy any of them, you just buy the one you like. Yeah, you don't have to buy both of them. They're both the same. And yeah, so you take a drink of alcohol, yeah, instead of picking up a piece of candy. So you could get one of these and that, and so the kids will play the candy game. You'll play the drunk one, and then the kids have got rest of these for enjoy the rest of the day while you're playing this and getting drunk. Yeah, and you're still saving. You're still saving a lot of money. You're still saving more money than rather than paying for like this bundle, yeah, or this bundle. You're still saving. In fact, even that bundle for 30 games, you're still saving for the £5.63. So it's value for money, guys. Now, you don't have to buy mine. Like I said, search Etsy, and these are the St. Patrick's Day games, yeah? I am going to be making more, so by the time you watch this video, there might be more on. But for now, every one of these here, these 7 bundles here, are all included in this 22 games bundle, guys. And you're saving a lot of money instead of buying every single one. Yes, I should be telling you to buy every single one. It'll make me more money. But I'm not about that, guys. I'm transparent, yeah? I want to save you money. I want to help you, yeah? Like on my channel here, I show you my earnings, yeah, somewhere. I can't remember where the video is, yeah? I tell you my plans for each one, my YouTube channel, my plans for YouTube channel, my plans for 2022, etc., my goals, my earnings, yeah, earnings report, you name it, guys. I'm very transparent. I give you some free stuff as well, like I show you how to make them. I show you how to actually make them. I don't just show you what I've made. I actually show you on some of the videos, guys. And yeah, I even show you how to get some free printables, yeah, free tags, free printables, free games, yeah. Give you some ideas as well, guys. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please do so. And please do me a favor, watch more than one video, because I need watch hours, yeah? So help me get this channel monetized. So thanks very much for watching, guys. Until next time, goodbye.